that income statement which was there in our format, okay, revenue statement or income statement, just now I was talking about this only. It starts from income, that is sales, okay, and then expenses, which is an income. I rightly stated all sales return to be deducted, then raw material adjustment, then WIP, then all factory expenses, finished goods, whatever is left out is gross profit margin, then certain income which is related for from business, that will be known as operating income, then certain expenses which could be operating expenses to be subdivided into three categories. They are office and administration, selling and distribution, and financial. Bank charges, cash discount. See, alternatively, interest could be merged, no problem. Interest can be taken as a part of finance because to raise those finance, we have paid the interest. Okay. So then whatever is left is net operating profit or operating profit. Add non-operating income. These are not from business operation. Dividend, interest, interest on investment or loan, etc. Because this is not my business activity. Okay. And non-operating expenses, loss on sale, goods loss, legal penalty, goodwill written off, preliminary expenses written off, which are non-recurring in also nature. What you have learned during last semester as your, revenue, capital, and deferred revenue expenditure. So all deferred revenue expenditure will come here. So that will give me net profit before tax. Less provision for tax, we will get net profit after tax. Okay, add last year's profit or loss, and then now things are available for appropriation, transfer to reserves, paid as a dividend, equity, preference, etc. And finally, whatever is left is retained earnings. So now the question will be given on T format. I expect from you to get me the answer where it will be reflected. Suppose they are asking salary, okay, or suppose they are asking interest on loan. So immediately you have to get me the answer, sir. Interest on loan means financial expense. Salary, sir, salary means operating expense. What we used to do in our final account, I hope you can recollect and remember, whenever the teacher used to ask you the trial balance item, you immediately used to give them the answer, whether P&L debit or trading debit or balance sheet asset. Same way here also we expect the answer from you. And how it can be feasible and possible? Only and only if you know entire format thoroughly. Okay. So based on this, today we'll be having question number 3 if I'm not wrong. So we are doing question number 3, page number 17. Question 3, page 17. Okay. Following is the profit and loss of Well Balanced Limited for the year ended 31st March. You are required to prepare vertical income statement for the purpose of analysis. Of course, this is all what we are doing. I told you it is for top level management. After reframing it into vertical, they are just doing the analysis. What to be done, how to be make the investment, whether the investment to be done or not, where we are incurring more expenses, whether it is in office or it is in sales department, how to make the cost control, how do the things in efficient manner, etc., etc., etc. So let us go one by one. So opening stock, where you will reflect this opening stock as? Tell me, where in which part of format it will come? You can unmute and give the answer. Don't take this much of time. Yes, Pranya, absolutely right answer. Cost of Sales. Purchases. Purchases. Where it will be?
Cost of goods.
Absolutely cost of sales. Wages. Wages.
Office expense.
No, wages can never be in office. Wages is always be paid.
Operating expenses.
Operating is absolutely wrong answer. Wages is always incurred in factory. I believe you must have done during last semester. Ayushi, kindly make your video mode and then answer. The student who is not there in video mode, kindly don't give me any answer. Okay? Because those roll numbers I'm not going to consider at all for any kind of evaluation and marking. So wages is always incurred in factory. So if it is incurred in factory, it will be manufacturing expenses, and all manufacturing and factory expenses they have taken as cost of sales or cost of goods sold. All factory expenses. And you must have taken this similar thing in your manufacturing account also during last semester. Okay, till manufacturing, everything you will take here only, cost of sales. Okay. Next, factory expense. Factory expense, where to be reflected?
Cost of good.
Absolutely right. Office salary. Office salary.
Operating expenses.
I can't expect this kind of answer as operating. You should be very specific in operating. It should be office and administration. I hope things are clear now. It should reach to the specific head. Okay. Office rent. Office rent.
Cost of good.
Absolutely wrong answer. Office rent will again.
Operating expenses under office and administrative expenses.
Operating expenses.
Absolutely right answer. Postage and telegram. See, try to understand. Now you should get me the logical answer.
Operating expense
Yes.
under office and admin.
Yes. So once you are talking of office and administration, obviously by default it is an item of operating. So office and administration, selling and distribution. Now till I mean before this only you should have all these answers in your thinking. What is required for sales? What is required for finance? What is required for office activity? Okay. No worries. You started late, but the approach will remain same. Okay. Next is director's fees. Where it will come?
Same operating
Office
expense.
in administrative
Absolutely,
expenses.
absolutely right. Salesman salary. Salesman salary. Salesman salary. This much time should not be taken. It is all happening because you have not.
Selling and distribution expenses.
Yes. Who is this selling and distribution who is speaking? Pratham. Who is answering this? Okay.
Operating expenses.
Selling and distribution. Operating, I told you, you have to subdivide in different heads. There are 3 heads.
Operating expenses in office and administration.
Salesman salary can never be in office and administration. We don't require to operate office any salesman. Rather, we required salesmen for making our selling activity. And I got the right answer, but I don't know who has given this right answer. Okay, fine. It is their loss. Advertising.
Selling and distribution overheads.
Dipesh used to get me the answer. But as your Video mode is off. So sorry, you are not be part of evaluation. So of course, advertisement is also selling and distribution over expenses. Delivery expenses. Delivery expenses.
Selling and distribution.
Absolutely right answer. Debenture interest.
Finance expenses.
Absolutely right. Now depreciation on office furniture.
Office and
Admin.
admin expenses.
Operating
Office
expenses.
administration. I hope now the things are clear and students started putting their inputs. Okay, only those students can put their inputs who have written, who have a knowledge where which item to be reflected. Rest all, I hope there are more than 50 students. Rest all are in rest mode only because they have not done practice. Since last 2 weeks I am asking to do it, they are not doing it. It is their loss. Again, depreciation on plant. Depreciation on plant.
Factory overhead.
Yes. So where it will come as cost of sales. Okay, factory and all will come in cost of sales. And last, depreciation on delivery van.
Selling and distribution
Absolutely
expense.
right answer. So I am finding roll number 7720 and 7867 also to some extent participate. Aryan Tiwari. Good. Next, loss on sale of van. Loss on sale of
No.
van. Yes, absolutely right. Non-operating expense.
Non-operating expenses.
Income tax. Income tax.
Finance expense.
Income tax will take separately. Okay. After net profit before tax, we need to deduct. My final answer will be the same, 1,45,000, but in a different manner. It is in T form. We'll get our answer in horizontal form. It is vertical form. We'll be getting our answer in horizontal form. Okay. Here, the first item is sales.
Sir, if it was, if instead of income tax, it would have been tax audit expenses, it would have been in selling and distribution overhead.
Check. What? Can you repeat the
If
item?
instead of income tax, it would have been tax audit expenses. Would it have been included in the selling and distribution
No,
expenses?
office and administration.
So, but that is based on the turnover ratio.
No. That was for, see, if you have written turnover ratio, that was also wrong. If someone has taught you in departmental account, auditing is a very much part and parcel of office activity.
Okay, sir.
It is not related to sales at all. Okay. Now sales, of course, cash and credit will be an income. Returns will be deducted. First item will start from sales only. I hope you must be getting it. Yes? So cash and credit less sales return, we are very keen to get the net sale. Okay, this is an income. Our answer will start from here. Next, closing stock. Of course, this is closing stock of finished goods. Where it will come? Closing stock. Closing stock.
Working capital.
No.
Cost of goods sold.
Yes, cost of goods sold. Absolutely right. So now, little bit Manjunath has started participating, but his video mode is off, unfortunately. So he will not be part and parcel of evaluation. Dividend on investment.
Non-operating income.
Non-operating income.
Absolutely right answer. Profit on sale of furniture.
No.
Profit on sale of furniture.
Non-operating income.
Absolutely right answer. So I found now almost 10 students has started participating. Slowly and gradually, others will also join. I know this is a totally new thing which we are learning for the first time. Okay, but it has lot of relevance in our personal and professional life. Now, what we have written, we are going to incorporate in our vertical statement. So here we will go. Kindly draw the format. Keep it blank. This is our question number 17. Sorry, question number 3, page number 17. Kindly draw 3 columns, put particular rupees, then we'll start learning. Write down in your notebook. I'm finding Pankti is writing, Ayushi is writing. Pradnya started writing. Aryan is also started writing. So henceforth, kindly be with your assignment book. And again, I'm telling you, don't be under impression that this semester till last the evaluation will be online. There is great kind of possibilities that we will be having offline. And in offline, this all is going to carry a very, very good weightage for your evaluation and part and parcel of grade card. This all will give marks to you. The pace also started writing. Very good. Don't keep small book. Try to keep long exercise book. Lot of books is going to use in this particular subject. Rest all Om, Kaustuv, Bhargavi, Shivani, Jenny, सब सो रहे. Raj, Harsh, Mehak, Shubham, Preeti, Shiva, Sarvesh. I'm just taking one or two names. Simran, Divangi, Anas, Riya, Sanskar, Vidya, Nistha, Manisha, Sangeet, Kaushal, Himanshu, Darshan, Rahul, Omkar, Dilkush, Sachin, Isha, Kajal. There are many lot of students who are still in. So I hope I have already reminding you all. My evaluation, my things will be different, and I started doing it by considering it as your C2 assignment marks, because I have invested entire semester, started in this semester also, but things were not improvising. So let me take my own other measures to improvise the things. And I'm sure it is going to click and I'm going to get appropriate response in due course. Yes, Manjunath, you had certain questions?
Sir, if there's this expense of quality control, under which head will it come?
Tell me,
Or
where,
research and development?
you tell me where it is required. Quality control, where it is required.
It will come in cost of production, right?
See, cost of production is not, I have told you very precisely, cost and production is not very keen for quality. It is office and admin department which requires the quality, which require administrative people which require the quality. But as it is management accounting, again the freedom is given to different managers. Okay, as I told you, I mean us, for you know, it varies again industries to industry. Say for example, if you go to the industries like car manufacturing unit, for them it is a raw material. They will consider all tires and etc. as a part and parcel of cost of sales. But if you go to other industries and they are buying cost, then it will be a capital expenditure. Buying and selling will come in non-operating. So again, it is not restricted as we have seen in financial accounting, management accounting, things are changes. Quality control, most of the time, logically it should be office and administration. And what was the next question of yours?
Sir, research and development.
That is also part and parcel of office and administration.
Thank you, sir.
So if you go to the question, we'll find cash sales as 5,20,000, credit sales as 15 lakhs. So I will write all these things in my notebook. Cash and credit sales. This is my total gross sales. Yes. Then we have sales return. Return and allowances. I will write here. So what I will get? Net sales. I hope things are visible to you all. So kindly join with the same login password. We'll continue. I told you today all 3 lectures is very much required to make a base of this topic, to make the base of management accounting. Very, very important. And Prajna, you write 2 lecture official, 1 extra lectures. Okay, because on Saturday I have not taken 1 lecture.
So we were not having lecture on that day, Saturday.
That is why I am taking extra lecture today, na. So I'll be continuing. अभी 9:40 को खत्म होगा, again 10:20 तक जाएगा, 10:20 को चालू होगा, 11 o'clock तक जाएगा.
सर आई एम टेलिंग कि टाइम टेबल में आपका लेक्चर था ही नहीं सैटरडे को ऐसा.
नहीं, मेरे ओल्ड टाइम टेबल में था, मेरे को कल नया टाइम टेबल मिला है.
अच्छा ठीक है.
So I will have to count that.
ओके सर.
Remaining cost of sales and all I will take up once you rejoin because it is about to end. So kindly rejoin with the same login and password, everyone. Then we will solve entire question.